Hello, today we're going to look at problem number 2 in your Geometry Part 1 textbook. This is found on page 44. This section lesson is dedicated to constructing angles, which means that you're going to need either a straight edge and you're also going to need a compass of some kind. You can get compasses anywhere fairly cheaply, even Walmart or some of those places. They're just minimal cost, but you are going to need one of those for this. Now, this is saying given angle A, it wants you to construct another angle that matches angle A, okay? And so what we do here is, and I'm just going to take you through the steps to show you, is step 1 is that you're going to draw a ray with an endpoint S. And so you can see there in the red that we have drawn a line here at S right there. Now, step 2 over here is that you're going to write with your compass point on the vertex, that means the sticky point, you're going to draw an arc that intersects this angle A, and you're going to label that as B and C. So it can be any size. It doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be very small. It can be any size kind of in between. That part is your choice. There's no set way that has to be done. Now, once you have that, keep your compass right here at the same distance that it's already been spread apart here. You're going to keep it the same here, and you're going to go to your new angle S, as you can see here, and you're literally going to draw an arc that is the same distance as the arc was from here to here. You're drawing another arc from here to here on your new angle, which is the one that you started by starting with a straight line or ray. Okay. Now, once you get that first arc created there, which was step 3, then you're going to go back and you're going to measure with your compass again from B to C. You're going to measure this distance right here from B to C. And what that's going to do is then you're going to transfer right down here to where this arc crossed the line, which we call R. You're going to put your point on there, keep it the same size as it was from B to C, and you're going to make another arc. Where that arc crosses the original arc here and here, they cross at a point. We're going to call that point T. So now we have this point T that transfers down to here, and then finally step 5, where those points cross at that particular point there, you're going to connect a line from S, which is your vertex, through this new line or point T. And by doing so, what you've really done is you've created a new angle that is the same size as the original angle, which was angle A up at the top. Okay? So let's try one. They've given us this angle right here, and they want us to construct a new angle. Okay, so we're going to start by just drawing a straight line, and again, trying to get the tools to work. We're going to measure we're going to put our point right there. And we're going to stretch this out, and we're going to come down here, and we're just going to make an arc. Now, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull it down to here where I made my straight angle. And notice I did not move my arc, but we're going to make that same arc right there. Okay? Now, I'm going to measure for step 2, because you have a point here. And you have this arc right here matches this arc right here. Now, I'm going to measure with my compass from here to if I can rotate this, yeah, here we go. I'm going to measure, it's a little hard to do here, from here to here. And then I'm going to transfer that from here to here. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it by using that button right there. And I'm going to come down here and mark that same point right there. Now, what happens is that creates a point for me that now I'm going to use to connect from here through that point, and now this angle right here should match this angle right here. Okay? It's a little tricky to use a compass, but you'll get used to it in due time. I hope this helped.